Welcome to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of technology and its endless possibilities. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of web development, an essential skill for anyone interested in creating websites and online experiences. So, without further ado, let's embark on our journey into the captivating realm of web development. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to have you here with us. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Now, let's get started with our introduction to web development. So, what exactly is web development? In simple terms, it's the process of creating websites and web applications. Web developers utilize various programming languages, frameworks, and tools to bring their creative visions to life on the internet. In this video, we'll explore the key components of web development and give you a solid foundation to kickstart your journey in this exciting field. To begin our exploration, let's first understand the three primary pillars of web development: front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. Front-end development, also known as client-side development, focuses on the visual and interactive elements of a website. It involves using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the user interface, design layouts, and enable dynamic interactions. Front-end developers strive to create engaging and intuitive user experiences that captivate visitors. Back-end development, on the other hand, deals with the behind-the-scenes aspects of a website. It involves server-side programming, database management, and handling the logic that powers the website's functionality. Back-end developers work with languages like Python, Ruby, PHP, or JavaScript, Node, to build the server-side infrastructure that supports the front-end. Full-stack development encompasses both front-end and back-end development. Full-stack developers have the skills and knowledge to work on both the client and server sides of a web application. They understand how the different components interact and collaborate to deliver a seamless user experience. Now that we have a basic understanding of the different aspects of web development, let's explore some of the essential technologies and tools that developers use. HTML, hypertext markup language, forms the backbone of web development. It provides the structure and content of a web page, defining the various elements and their relationships. With HTML, developers create headings, paragraphs, images, links, and more. CSS, cascading style sheets, is responsible for the visual presentation and styling of web pages. It allows developers to customize the colors, fonts, layouts, and overall aesthetics of a website, ensuring a visually appealing and consistent design. JavaScript, often referred to as the language of the web, is a powerful programming language that adds interactivity and dynamic functionality to web pages. With JavaScript, developers can create animations, handle user input, manipulate data, and communicate with servers. Frameworks and libraries play a crucial role in web development, offering pre-built components, tools, and abstractions to streamline the development process. Popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue provide efficient ways to build interactive and scalable web applications. Version control systems like Git enable developers to track changes, collaborate with team members, and easily manage their codebase. They ensure a smooth workflow, allowing developers to revert to previous versions, branch out, and merge changes seamlessly. Content management systems, CMS, like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal provide user-friendly interfaces for managing website content. They allow non-technical users to create, edit, and publish web pages without extensive coding knowledge. If you're finding this introduction to web development fascinating so far, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We have a lot more tech-related content coming your way, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. And that concludes our introduction to web development. We've touched on the key aspects, from front-end to back-end development, and explored the essential technologies and tools that form the foundation of this dynamic field. Remember that practice and continued learning are key. So, keep exploring, stay curious, and let your creativity shine in the world of web development. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed our tech journey today, please hit that like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future tech explorations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.